All right, Monkey, let's win this boat race. I'll steer, you paddle.
What? No way. Last time you steered, we crashed into a duck family.
That was just an unexpected pit stop.
Quack. Unexpected? My feathers still smell like lake water.
Fine, I'll steer this time. You paddle fast, got it?
Roger that. Turbo rabbit mode on. Monkey.
Because you're paddling both sides.
I thought that makes us faster.
Faster? You're making me dizzy.
Okay, teamwork time. Left, right, left, right.
Left, right, oops, wrong left. Now we're wet and losing.
But hey, at least we're not arguing anymore.
True, you finally learned teamwork, even if you sank doing it.